What's up, guys? I'm shook a bit today. I gotta watch. Um, I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna have to wait until it's doing. Make sure Shia doesn't want to turn on the TV. Hey! Excuse me. Stop breaking the fourth wall, okay? What are you doing here? Get away from my screen right now, you piece of. My God. Okay, guys. Bye. Peace.